here, but I still want to do one more thing.
Pinkalicious and Peter made a sled run,
But we don't have any snow and we don't have any sleds. So instead we're using marbles, cardboard, and foam.
and this is where the marble's going to start.
To make the marble go, you can make a slant so that you can give it momentum.
And momentum means that it has enough power to be able to push itself down something. To make it even go faster and cool. When it goes down, it's able to go a little bit up, and then it goes across the table, and then it can go down again.
We worked together to make the first part of the ramp, but now we're making our features separately.
My feature is called the rainbow spinner. Yay! My feature is called the bell ringer. You put this at the end of the ramp, and then it'll be able to hit the bell ringer.
My special feature is to make a little road out of rubber bands that make sound.
I think that it's fun because you're able to work together and you get to experiment with different things.
My advice is to take your time, don't rush, and have fun.
You can also watch full episodes and play Pinkalicious and Peterific games anytime on the PBS Kids video and games apps.